My name is Minmay Chakraborty. I am working as a electronics vocational trainer at Chourangi High School. My training provider name is Orient Edutech Private Limited. Today I will discuss about workplace health and safety measures and electrical hazards. Workplace hazards system is designed to protect the health and safety of workers. Information must be provided about the safe handling, use, storage and disposal of hazards system. Workplace hazard is something that can have potential to harm the technician. There are hazards in every type of job and every type of workplace. Everyone at the workplace shares the responsibility to identify and control hazards. Technician must first recognize hazards at workplace. An electrical hazard defines a dangerous condition. This dangerous condition is related to energized equipment or a conductor at workplace. If a technician comes in contact with this energized equipment, this equipment may injure the technician. Many of the hazards can be avoided by being aware and taking appropriate precautions. This will ensure safety at workplace. Points that have to be remembered for working safety around an electrical panel and cabinet are as follows. First point is watch out for cords and wires. Loose cords and wires can cause an electrical hazard. If a cord or wire will cross a pathway, safety it should be marked it with hazard tape. Second point is wear proper personal protective equipment or PPE. Gloves, safety helmet, safety glasses, earplugs and other gears are important to use where necessary. For safety, signs can be posted near panels, remembering employees to wear PPE. Third point is use caution around heat sources. Some panel and equipment get hot while operating. Everyone should be aware of these areas and use caution when nearby. PPE like gloves or flammable resistance clothing may be required in these areas. Fourth point is be careful when cleaning. When cleaning around a panel or equipment, one should note other possible hazards too. Fire and explosion hazards, need for PPE during cleaning, risk of electric shock. Follow visual and written instructions. Panel equipment has signs and labels on them alerting employees to hazards. Fifth point is cautions while testing, replacing the components in the panel. We shall first confirm the circuit is dead before touching it for repairing, maintenance and any other works. Next is avoid water at all times when working with electricity. Never touch or try repairing any electrical equipment or circuits with wet hands. It increases the electrical conductivity of the body for the flow of electrical currents. Seventh point is never use equipment with damaged insulation or broken plugs. Next point is if you are repairing electrical device, always turn off the mains supply. Next point is always use insulated tools while working. Never try repairing energized equipment. Always check that is de-energized first by using a tester. And the last point is know the wear code in our country. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.